Okay, Shalom Aleichem, this is me, Mitchell89. In this, the name of this video is The Big Bang versus the Bible. As you can see, in this passage, from this video, I will be discussing on whether or not the Big Bang theory is really in conflict with the scriptures. Young Earth creationists like Kent Hovind and Carl Bogg contend that the universe was created 6,000 years ago, or some 6 to 10,000 years ago, by God, ex nihilo, out of nothing. And they contend that the scientific dating, that the scientific community is wrong, and that the Big Bang is fiction. The Big Bang, which most scientists hold to, teaches that the universe began at a point of singularity some 13 to 15 billion years ago. In this point, the universe was hot, condensed, and from there it rapidly expanded and cooled off into the state it is now, and the universe is continually expanding from that point of singularity. Is the Bible truly in conflict here? Does it truly teach something radically different? Genesis 1:1 is the source of biblical creationism. It is held to by both young Earth and old Earth creationists alike, Jews and Christians. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Does this violate the principle and the teaching of the Big Bang? And what exactly is the beginning that is being described in Genesis 1:1? To answer this, we have to go to the underlying Hebrew. Bereshit bara Elohim et hashamayim v'et haaretz. In the beginning, God fattened the sky and the land. The word Bereshit is the key word that we must look at to figure out what the beginning is. Bereshit comes from the word Reshit, or the word Reshit with the bet prefix, which means end. Reshit, beginning or summit, comes from the root Rosh, which means head. This word, which means if you're at the beginning, you're at the head of something. This word is used of both the head of a race, the starting point, or the head of something, the start of something, the point of origin, if you will, the place of the origin of it. So that's what beginning, such as time, or the start of the race, the beginning of the race. It is also used of a mountain peak, thus summit, a point, a single point, a place. In Hebrew thought, unlike Western, in Hebrew thought, or the Hebrew word for space, for time, are also words for space. Time and space are really the same thing. For example, the Hebrew word kadim means both ancient and east, which makes sense. Some of our oldest civilizations are in the east. The word olam, which means a distant time, both future and past, to be used of both, also means beyond the horizon, a place, something you can see. Erev and Me'erev, which is the word Erev with the mem prefix, which means from Erev, from the evening, means evening, a time when the sun is setting and going down to end the day, and the west direction, place. which is fascinating because the sun sets, or the day becomes evening, in the west. Bereshit means in the summit, in the place of origin, in the point of singularity. It is from that point of singularity that everything flows. If you know of rivers, rivers flow from a point of origin in a mountain and go down through the valleys. So, does the Big Bang then, cosmology, conflict with the Bible? No. Just as the Bible says, Bereshit bara Elohim, in the beginning, in the point of singularity, God created the skies and the land. He created the universe. Until next time, Shalom.